This is CJ riding Lily. Lily is 15-1. She's very much traffic broke. She will go through anything you ask of her, cross creeks, woods, wildlife. She's very much non-spook. She's just a beautiful girl. She stands to mount, waits for you to tell her to move. So easy to do all things with. You can walk off and leave her, and she will stand there and wait for you to come back. She is a wonderful horse for doing things like that. I love that. You don't have to ride her consistently. You can go 3 or 4 months, and Lily is the same. She's always the same. She's safe for beginner riders, special needs, young riders, just whatever. Anybody that wants to ride her, she rides double. She will ride double on a trail ride, lead behind another horse. And she's very much a very loving horse. She loves attention, loves to be petted. Just a really nice mare. Thank you for watching our videos. We're at Forest Ridge Farm, Science Hill, Kentucky. It is so cold out here. This is CJ riding Lily. Lily is 15-1. She's 15-1 hands. She's very, very sweet, very, very loving. Lily is a horse that if you don't ride for 3 months, she is the same. She still stands to mount, very consistent in her behavior. She has a beautiful, beautiful patient temperament. She will stop, stand, and wait anytime, any place on the trail. You can ride her double with a child. You can lead a child on her on a trail ride. Lily will follow other horses on a ride. She is just an amazing mare. She neck reins, which is awesome. She is backs up, neck reins, has a little faster gait, very smooth, naturally gaited. Lily is a horse for the entire family. Okay, on that last video, CJ took around the trees where I couldn't get him. So here we are again. Okay. Again, this is Lily. She's 15-1 and she's a beautiful girl. We thank you for watching our videos. Over here, she's got a hill to go down. I want to show you how she just softly, very cautiously steps. She has a slow motion walk. Just really, really nice girl. She's great for all ages, and I love that she's so very patient. She stands to mount anywhere you are. She will stand and wait. She waits for you to tell her to move when you mount her. She's easy to do all things with. She backs up, neck reins, she does it all, and has a smooth, natural gait. We're at Forest Ridge Farm, Science Hill, Kentucky. Thank you for watching our videos. This is CJ riding Lily. Lily is 15-1. She has a beautiful, beautiful color. As you can see, she's very much traffic broke. Lily will cross creeks, go through wildlife, woods. Nothing spooks this mare. We have a video of CJ mounting from a chair, and the chair falling, her stepping over the chair, and she was just amazing. She's very much non-spook. She neck reins, she backs up, she does it all. Lily is a mare kind of horse I love to get because